welcome to Rafi's kitchen. Today we are going to make chocolate chip cookies, but not just any kind. We are going to make Nutella chocolate chip cookies. For this recipe we are going to need the following ingredients. 10 spoons of Nutella, half a cup of butter, half a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 egg. Also, 1 cup plus 1/3 of a cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, a pinch of salt, and 2/3 of a cup of chocolate chips. First, you will need to place 10 spoons of Nutella onto a lined sheet, like this. Now freeze it for 1 hour. Now let's begin. Pour the butter into a mixing bowl. And add the sugar. Then add the vanilla and mix. Mix until creamy using a spatula like this. Now add the egg. And mix until well combined. In a separate bowl, sieve the flour, the baking soda, and the cornstarch. Now incorporate the flour mix into the butter mix. And add a pinch of salt. Mix well. The next step is to add the chocolate chips. And finally, my secret ingredient, a pinch of love. Take the Nutella tray out of the freezer. Now comes my favorite part. Take 1 scoop of cookie dough and place it in your hand. Flatten it into a circle. And place 1 frozen spoon into the center. And now make a bowl. And place the bowl into a tray. Now cool them in the freezer for 1 hour. the balls into a cooking tray and bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. Take them out of the oven and let them cool down for 10 minutes. Here you have them, Nutella Chocolate Chip cookies. Delicious!